Hey beauties, I'm Carla, makeup artist, speaker, business owner, and founder of Creative Contour by Carla. I believe we should love wearing makeup should we choose to. In this podcast, I will break down the harmful rhetoric spewed by the beauty industry. Follow along to love yourself, gain confidence, and enjoy a little glam. Hey beauties, welcome back to the Creative Contour by Carla podcast. Today we're doing something a little bit differently. We are going to take a look at Diana's speaker makeup and we're going to break down the look in today's episode. So it's important to mention that when Diana inquired with me for her speaker makeup look, that she requested a rather specific look, and she's actually sat in my makeup chair before, and she normally requests, I would say, what's considered a soft glam makeup style, but she also has a little bit of creativity because she's an artist. So she leans into certain aspects of her makeup look depending on what she's wearing. For this specific makeup look, she wanted still a soft glam style of makeup, but she did want a really super soft, smoky element of the makeup look. So let's break it down. So first, we're going to talk about eye makeup because this was really the focus of the look. Now, in the eye makeup, I used a dark chocolate brown and I applied it in a really light manner so that we still have that soft, smoky focus. And as you can see, Diana's eyes are a really bright blue. So I really wanted to make sure that we draw attention to her eyes so that when people are watching her on stage, they're looking and making eye contact with her. Now we're going to talk about complexion. Now, because Diana is a return client of mine, I know that she likes a skin-like finish when it comes to wearing foundation. However, because she is speaking on stage and she'll be filmed, photographed, and under very heavy lighting, I did need to make an adaptation, which means that I applied makeup in a manner that feels like a skin-like finish, but the product that I used went on as a full coverage. So when we do that, we're doing it to make her skin still look like skin. However, it has a really smooth finish. Now, when we're talking about complexion, we also have to acknowledge blush. Blush is an important part of our makeup look, especially within the environment where Diana is speaking. She's going to be photographed, she's going to be filmed, and she's going to be under bright lighting, which means that when we're applying makeup, we need to acknowledge this in our minds first as makeup artists. And also for those of you who are speaking on stage and maybe you're doing your own makeup, you need to make sure that blush is applied in a little bit more of a heavy hand. Let me explain. The reason why blush has to be applied with a heavier hand when we're speaking on stage, when we're going to be photographed, when we're going to be filmed, is because what happens is the editing process when we're being photographed and filmed essentially washes out a lot of the color on our faces. And of course, we're thinking about lighting as well. Diana's speaking on stage. She's going to be under a lot of bright lighting. So when we have a little bit of a heavier blush application, it maintains that kind of lively color in our face. Now let's talk about how I finished the makeup look for Diana. Diana specifically mentioned that she likes lipstick colors that have cool undertones in them, which means there's a lot of blue prominent in the undertone of the lip color. Because we're doing a little bit more of a natural style of makeup with a more of an enhancement in the eyes, I really wanted to bring some balance into the makeup look by finishing with a soft pink lipstick. So beauties, this is the full breakdown of Diana's makeup look. As you can see, it's really soft and polished with still a touch of glamour. And you can also see she looks great on stage. I hope you all enjoyed this episode and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.